Alright, so now I'm going to build the rack. Pardon my back. Really? Okay, there we go. Okay, what I have here are carrots. I like to get them with the greens on the ends. And celery. Now I like the center stocky kind of furry parts. I feel like these are really, really flavorful, and since we're using this as the rack that's going to hold our pork shoulder up off of the bottom of our roasting pan, we would like for these vegetables to be extremely delicious and flavorful and add flavor to the meat as well. So the more pungent and tasty leafy part from the center, I just split it in half and then pull out the insides, and then I generally use the other ones for peanut butter. I alternate carrot, celery, celery on the bottom of my speckled pot. Then you have something that looks kind of like that on the bottom of your speckled pot. Of course, they've all, gravity's done its thing. You want them in the center where you're going to place your meat. So now, here comes the part where I make that delicious ginger garlic paste to go on the beast. And to remove these shallots, which are for later for our Brussels sprouts and shallots. Did I mention the menu yet? Maybe I didn't. Let me do it again. We're going to have the Triple G ginger garlic grapefruit roasted pork shoulder, and we're going to have the herbed bacon Brussels sprouts with shallot, and we're going to have baked potato and yam that will be given the same treatment even though they're so different in flavor. And that's what we're going to have. And we're making all this. The royal we, queen of everything, it says so right here. Every year for New Year's Eve, I cook. I make generally the roasted pork, and I bring it over a little bit before midnight to my little neighborhood bar where I hang out and feed the bartenders that are working, because it's New York City and bars are open until like 8 in the morning tomorrow on New Year's Day. So yeah, I go and I feed the bartenders and have a toast and hang out a little bit, and then I'm generally like snug as a bug in a rug by like 1:30, because I don't really have the patience for like amateur night.